In front of me is iPhone 16 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll down to access Face ID and passcode. Then enter your current passcode. Tap on Setup Face ID and hit Get Started. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions available on your display. Then click on one of those options or tap on Setup Later. When you finish, select Done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!